So I'm going to show you what it looks like to integrate my AskAI with Intercom. Now, once you've created your AskAI account and built your first AI chatbot and trained it on your help docs, you can do all of that in about 10 minutes. You can install the Intercom app and let your customers start interacting with your AI chatbot. So imagine we're going to talk to a fictional SaaS company and we're going to say, how do I edit a customer's email? If this tool was a CRM tool or something like that, then that might be a function that you might find in there. So the AI is going to come back first and say it's looking for an answer. And then it's going to come back with an answer with some information and also some relevant help docs there as well. I'm going to ask another question. How do I add a new team member? And again, similarly, it's going to go away and think and come back with an answer and some relevant help docs as well. And there we go. Go to settings, team members, click add a new team member from there, and there's a document to do that. And then in instances where a human is needed, so can I get a refund on my last invoice, a few typos in there, and that's fine because it'll interpret that, no problem. And with a question like this, can I get a refund on my last invoice? It's obviously not going to be able to find a specific answer to that because that's not something that you would have an answer to within the help docs. This is something that typically a human agent will be needed for. So it's going to come back and say that it's not actually sure how to answer this question. Why don't you say talk to a person if you want to speak to an agent? So talk to a person, I will write here because I want to speak to an agent about this refund. It's going to tell me that it's going to notify the team. And as well, to be really helpful, it's actually created a summary of this conversation that I can see, but importantly, the support agent will see. So if we jump over to Intercom and we actually look within the admin workspace, then we'll see this conversation, which the admin can then have a look at. And they'll see that this has been transferred to a person, and they'll get to see that summary of the conversation, so they don't have to go back and read the entire thread. So that's how you can deploy AskAI within Intercom to cut your customer support tickets by 50 to 75% overnight.